What does respect my skin mean to me is being as natural as I can. Be it acne on my face or anything, I should own up to it and feel beautiful as it is. Instead of having makeup on or not, being me is respecting my skin.
First of all, thank you so much for joining us today.
For me, taking care of skin is really very important, and respecting the skin is itself a very important factor. I take care of my skin. I respect my skin by taking proper good care of my skin. I respect my skin by giving my skin ample amount of time and by using right products.
Respecting my skin means a lot. For that, I exercise regularly and make sure I eat healthy and stay hydrated. And of course, how can I forget the proper skincare regime?
Respecting skin is always choose a good product. I always trust Bioderma.
I respect my skin by moisturizing it twice in a day.
Bonjour!